111 spice manufacturing companies for adulteration concerns. So here is the latest news on that. Earlier, we got the report from Indonesia and other countries that they have banned Indian spice manufacturers like MDH and Everest for containing um, ethyl oxide or something, some other harmful chemicals which are linked to cancer. Today, the latest news is that FSSAI has banned 111 spice producers, including in them are MDH, Everest, etc., etc. All those companies are there. So that's the thing. Means these companies have been uh, uh, has been doing this kind of thing. Doing adulteration of foods and all. So here is the summary from the news from Times of India. In the month of April, Singapore and Hong Kong had banned the sale of popular Indian spice brands MDH Private Limited and Everest Food Products Private Limited. After the allegation detection of carcinogenic pesticide ethylene oxide in several products, it has or only after this, the Food Safety and Standard Authority of India started collecting samples of spices in different cities to safely check the checks as safety checks. As per a recent report, they have revoked the manufacturing license of 111 spice manufacturers producers over past month, instructing them to halt production immediately. So these samples include. So government has been collecting samples, as many as 4,000 samples they have collected. These samples include products from well-known brands such as Everest, MDH, Catch, Badshah, and others. As per the report by Mint, the regulatory body has tested 2,200 samples, out of which 111 spice makers could not match the basic standards of quality of product. The license of such spice manufacturers has been already scrapped with immediate effect after and production has been stopped. So, according to officials, the majority of the cancer license belong to small spike makers from Kerala and Tamil Nadu, and companies from Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh are also under scrutiny. Most of the 111 companies are small scale and could not be contacted as they lacked official website, contact number, and email IDs. In the same process, in the month of May, FSSAI conducted a sample test of MDH and Everest and did not find ethylene oxide. The test included 34 samples from Everest and MDH by testing 9 of the Everest facility in Maharashtra, Gujarat, 25 from this MDH in Delhi, Haryana, and Rajasthan. According to this test also includes several parameters, including moisture content, insect and rodent contamination, heavy metals, aflatoxins, and pesticide residues. The samples were tested for ethylene oxide at NABL accredited laboratories as well. The FSSAI received around 28 lab reports so far, and the chemical was found absent in them. So the general information that is coming that MDH and Everest has got ethylene oxide. That fact is not correct. For other reasons, they may have been cancelled, but not for ethylene oxide. So, as for the unversed, ethylene oxide is classified as a Group 1 carcinogen by the International Agency for Research on Cancer, which poses serious health risk, including an elevated risk of breast cancer. Uh, so these are the this is the latest news coming from the central government agency FSSAI. So they have banned 111 spice producers all across India. So that's how it is. Thank you everyone for tuning in. Mm. See you again.